strong, honey, to do it. Oh! Y'all, pretty soon I'm gonna have to hold it up. And I'm not that strong. Oh, that's hard to get off. Oh.
Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in town.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Y'all, today we are doing some DIY wall art and I'm so excited. Y'all, I thrifted these pieces here, some thrifted home decor that I had like for a few months now, and I wanted to go ahead and do some DIY wall art with some spackles. So I purchased this off of Amazon and I was like, I actually did it to kind of cover up some holes for in the wall. But anywho, I purchased it for another, Jesus Christ. Oh, this sucker heavy. Whew. But I got it for another project, and so I have these two canvas pictures here, and so y'all, today we are gonna do a DIY wall project. Now I'm not sure if I have enough plaster for two pictures, but we are gonna see today. That's hard to get off. Okay, but as you guys know or may not know, it is pink. This is how you know that you will have the right one. And so, but because I have to make sure that I can get the size as well, y'all, because as you can see, this picture has black on the sides and I don't want that to show. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that part first. And what you're gonna do is just gonna take some plaster and kind of like rub it on there, just to make sure that you cover this part up as well. See, like so. And so, yeah, you don't want to take too much because you really want to, use most of it for the painting, but you do want to do enough to make sure, see, that you cover it up. And then just do the same thing on the rest of it. Smooth it on over. This can get a little messy, as you guys can see, but that's all good, because I wanted some wall art, and I'm gonna show you all some wall art that I did earlier this year. Actually, my bae and we did it, and it's hanging up on this wall over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert a clip, what am I saying? And show you guys what it looks like, because usually you see a piece like this and it's like $200, $300, and child, we don't have that kind of money to be just chucking out on some wall art. So I was like, I can make that. Y'all, one thing about me, I'm gonna always say, I can make that before I pay all of that money for it. And it doesn't matter if it is like some wall art or something like this, or just some other type of DIY project or something like this. And it's okay, you want it to kind of be like a little bit textured like this, so that way when it dries it looks like swirl, which that's the picture name, y'all. We gave it a name. But now I'm gonna go ahead and do, should I do the other sides first? Let's do the other sides first. Let's do that really. Hold on, I can't put the thing on there. You want to make sure that you smoothen it on there so you can smooth it all the way out. Like, you want to make sure that you're getting it off the sides of the spackles spatula. And yeah, and then just smooth it on through. And it's so easy, y'all. You actually save yourself some money, because I paid like, I want to say it probably was no more than like $7 or $8 for each one of these. And then you get you some spackle off of Amazon, and I want to say on Amazon I think it's like $7, $8, something like that, maybe like 10, could be about 10 bucks. But okay, all right, but we have it all the way covered now. I'm okay if some of the white still shows, but honestly, long as none of that black show, we don't want that. And honestly, if it peeks through a little bit, that's fine, because Black is a part of the aesthetics in my home, so you know, adding black, having a little bit of black showing through is okay for the home decor. But now we gotta do this side. Y'all, pretty soon I'm gonna have to hold it up. And I'm not that strong. But see, and then you just smooth it on there, like so. Y'all, my cat is too cute, girl. He is sitting on the edge of the couch, just watching me. Y'all have pets, watch, sit up and watch y'all do projects and like pretty much anything else child you do with your life. But y'all, it's gonna be so pretty when I am finished. I am so excited. I really don't want to use much because I really would like to have some for both projects, for both pictures. But you know, if I have to, I'm not really willing to sacrifice look like so. But yeah, y'all, now you can do this however you choose to do it. Oh! It's close. I'm gonna turn it this way. And now I'm gonna go ahead and start doing the top of it, y'all, because you know it's time. But when you do, you just want to take a big old thing of the spackle, right? Put it on the picture, and you're gonna smooth it out. And what I love is this picture is already textured, so that is really nice since this is some DIY textured wall art. You know, having more texture on it is just perfect. Yeah, so we love that, y'all. We love, this stuff is strong, honey. You want to try to apply it first, like all the way on. And then you can start kind of play with it and putting it into place and stuff. But we're gonna do like this side down here first. And y'all, I still don't know what design, if any, like that I'm gonna do, like what type of pattern I'm gonna do inside of here. So yeah, I don't know, y'all, it's getting kind of slim. I'm gonna say you might need 2 of these if you are going to do 2 pictures, but it is definitely good for 1. But we're gonna see by the time I'm done with this one. We're gonna see. I'm not sure. I mean, just have fun with it. Like, y'all, I have always been a DIY person. When I was younger, I used to make paper dolls and houses out of shoeboxes and stuff. Child, make them clothes. I would make, oh my goodness, I had such a vivid imagination as a child. And then I definitely ran it over to my kids. I used to get like boxes for them on the weekends, and I would tell them, go make something. Like, and also they would go outside and play too, but yeah, I would say go make something, because you know, to have something of your own that you created in your home is just so nice. Like, and you honestly cannot beat that. Now my heat just cut on, child. I'm gonna have to cut the heat off because I'm getting hot. But as y'all can see, we are almost done with this side. And then we're gonna see what kind of cute little design we gonna do. I have these little spackled like swirl things, but if I'm not mistaken, these did not really work all that well. So I'm just gonna probably use my fingers, but I also have like this spackle here. And so what I was thinking, I might just do like some lines in it like this, because I just think that that will be really pretty once it dries. So and there you go, y'all. It's gonna be so cute. Let me hold it up so I can show y'all what it's looking like. See, now I went ahead and showed you guys some of it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish it up, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like when I am all done. Okay, you guys, so this is what it looks like before it dries. As you can see, just really nice and textured. And so when it dries, yeah, I'll show you guys the finished product. You guys, it is halfway dry. And as you could see, remember I told you it was textured, so you can see some of the texture coming through. But of course, as it dries, you won't be able to see that as good. So, but yeah, you guys, this is what it looks like while it is drying. I'm really excited. I think I am going to absolutely love this DIY wall art. You guys, so this is what it looks like right now in the corner. I am so happy with our home decor and, you know, our DIY wall art, because guys, look at them, like they are so gorgeous. I had to let this dry for 24 hours, but look at that. It is absolutely stunning, you guys. I love it. As you can see, we have some little pieces right here where it's kind of peeking through, but again, like I said, that's fine. We don't mind like the little imperfections, and honestly, you cannot tell, but you guys, this is absolutely gorgeous. But yeah, you guys, these are our DIY wall art pieces. I'm not sure if I'm gonna leave the picture right there. I just wanted to hang it just so you guys could see like exactly what it would look like, you know, up on the walls. So, okay guys, that is going to be the end of this DIY wall art video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel. And until next time, I'll see you guys in our next home decor video. Bye.